Hey, buddy. Good morning. Hey, wanna go outside? Let's go outside. Come on. Burrito Benny. Hey, buddy. Who's got you? Check. Check. Hello, everybody.
Hi.
We're on our way to go get some pumpkins.
We're gonna get some coffee. I'm gonna convince Nathan to get an acai bowl.
Where do we get that from?
I don't know.
We'll find one.
Benny's back there chewing his rawhide.
He's just living his best life.
Got a couple stuffies back there for him. He's 14 weeks old.
Yeah, he's just still a little baby.
A little puppy.
But we have been wanting to do something like this for a long time, and we both decided to do it together. So we're gonna just take some videos and kind of videotape some stuff that we do together, and so we have it together as memories. Together. He's so cute.
Yep.
So we're gonna bring you along with us.
Yep.
And we'll just videotape anything that's cool.
Sure. Anything that's not cool too.
Yeah, like look at this guy back here. He's just chilling.
Oh, he's cool.
He's cool. You cool, Benny?
Yeah, he's cool.
All right.
Okay.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Got a Dirty Dixon,
Dirty Dixon chai tea.
which is a almond milk chai tea with espresso shots in it. And then I got a gunpowder green tea. Got a little piece of jerky
Yeah, he's spoiled.
from the lady.
Abby's eating some veggie straws.
Heck yeah.
She's hungry.
Heck yeah.
We made it. Front row parking. You ready?
Yeah. Better just go look at the swing.
He's doing so good.
He tries to eat everything. So that's why he's like this.
So beautiful.
Oh, there's some more.
He's doing so good.
Come here, then. Did you ever put funny what you want?
Yeah.
Did you?
Sure. He's so excited. Aw, you like the little baby ones, Benny? These little baby ones?
We'll get a little.
Aw. Yeah.
Mom will get one from the inside, and then Dad has to get a big one.
Okay. Ooh. There's so many to choose from. It's snowing out. Hey, buddy. Find a good one?
Huh?
Did you find a good one?
Same thing. So Benny's is at home.
Okay.
Are these bigger than Benny's?
I think they're about the same size. Benny, hi, buddy. Hi. Say hi. Ready?
Yep.
Okay. We got our pumpkins.
Let's go.
We just got the goods. Picked out 3 pumpkins.
Windy.
I think Benny had a good time.
He did.
We're gonna paint our pumpkins?
We're gonna paint our pumpkins this year.
We're not gonna carve
I haven't
them.
carved my pumpkins for 23 years.
Do something a little different.
That way they will stay good all the way through November.
Yeah. Should we tell them like our plan? Because they didn't really say like what we're doing here. So basically, me and Abby, we've been wanting to do videos for a long time, and we have taken some videos here and there. Definitely during our honeymoon, we took a lot of videos. But I think we're just into the point of our lives where we always wish we had take videos and can go back and see. So we're gonna start doing that now. We got a little puppy to add to our lives, and we just want to see how we grow, and from a year from now, how much we change.
Yeah. Doesn't really matter if we have a bunch of people following us or watching our videos. It's mostly for ourselves.
Yeah, so we're really excited to try this new hobby together and just see what life adventures we take on.
Penny, stop. He does that to Nathan's ears all the time.
It's because they're super clean.
And
So just want to keep you updated. We just got done leaving or checking out Jolly Lane Greenhouse. We got our pumpkins, we got our peas, and Benny's ready to go home. So I don't know what this video is gonna be like, but it's gonna be our first one.
yeah, pretty cute.
Benny, where are we going? We get mom something? We gonna get mom a treat? Or we get mom?
The smooth old Benny.
He's just chilling
Did
on
you
my
show
shoulder.
them his little freckle?
I can't remember.
He has his rawhide all over him. But that's his cute little freckle. He's born with it.
That's how we picked him.
And I said, that one's mine. And we didn't know if it was a boy or girl. We always thought we'd get a girl dog. But I just
Boys are a little crazy.
fell in love with his little freckle.
He's the only one with an imperfection.
Only one. Got a discount.
Yeah, we got him for cheap. He's the best boy ever.
Yeah. Sometimes.
It's our little buddy.
Sometimes, huh?
We are headed to one of our favorite coffee shops in town. Okay, I'll be right back.
Okay.
I love you.
I love you.
Bye, Benny. I got the goods.
Yeah.
It is so busy in there.
Was it?
Benny, this isn't for you. It's for mom.
He was missing you.
Aw. There you go, babe.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Look what mom got Benny. Oh, Benny wants some. How's it?
Good.
We finally made it back. Abby got her acai bowl.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta show them.
Granola.
Strawberries, blueberries, bananas, coconut.
Oh, it's coconut. Sorry.
Let me try it though.
What do you want, banana or strawberry?
Whatever you get me.
Like it?
Mm-hmm.
Kind of a weird treat on a cold day, though.
Good. Today's success.
Yep.
We got our pumpkins, went for a little drive, hung out with Benny boy, got mom a treat. We don't know what this video is going to turn out, but it's our first, and hopefully there'll be many more to come.
Next one will be painting our pumpkins.
Yeah, so we'll see you next time. I'll wave at you guys, watch. Bye.
Bye.